Very good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to revise chapter 11 measurements. In chapter 11 measurements, we have discussed three topics. Which are the three topics? Anybody?
Ma'am, Zia Anupkami.
Yes. Okay.
Weight, length,
Weight, length, correct. Then capacity also. Yes.
capacity.
So length we discussed, length, weight and capacity or volume. Okay. So first let us discuss about length. What is length, dear? Anybody?
Length,
What is length? Length is the distance between 2 points. Length is the distance between 2 points. That let it be there. This year you have to discuss more about the conversion. So that let it be there. Then which are the units to measure the lengths? The measure. I didn't ask you the instruments. I asked the unit. In the scale, what is written? If you are measuring by scale, the measurement, after getting the measurement, in which unit you will say answer, or in which unit you will note the length.
ma'am,
Centimeter.
Centimeter. So, centimeter is a unit to measure length. Then, centimeter. Then, next unit.
Meter.
Meter. Very good. Centimeter.
Millimeter.
Millimeter is there, but now we are not discussing about that, because if I ask that also, it will be more confusing for you. So millimeter, let it be there. We can discuss about centimeter, meter, and one more unit is there.
Kilometer.
Kilometers.
Kilometer.
Centimeter, meter,
Kilometer.
okay. Who can say 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
100 centimeter.
Good, Sia, your answer is correct. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter.
100 centimeter.
1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to how many centimeters?
200 centimeter.
100 centimeter. 3 meters equal to
300
100 centimeter. 4 meters equal to 5 meters equal to 500 centimeter. So to convert from meter to centimeter, you can multiply by 100. Okay. To convert from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. This is a thing you have to keep in mind every time. Meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. Because all other conversion, this year you are going to study all other conversion by 1000. Only meter to centimeter is out of by 100. Okay. So to convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. Like that. Now you can easily say 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer equal to,
100 kilometers.
those who know, please unmute and tell it. Just now I said 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 2 kilometers equal to how many meters?
2000.
2000 meters. 3 kilometers equal to 1000. 4 kilometers equal to, so to convert from kilometers to meters, you have to multiply by 1000. Yes. All of you, please open your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
A notebook and give the heading. Chapter 11. In the notebook.
Ma'am, I will not understand second question.
I will explain all. Chapter 11. Please give the heading. Chapter 11. Measurements.
And who is this Zayanu?
She is from other class. Okay. So, and give the side heading length.
Okay, ma'am. One meter is 100 centimeter.
And you can write 1 meter equal to 100
100
centimeter.
centimeter.
And 1 kilometer is equal to
1000 meter.
1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So, this is the way you have to do the conversion. To convert from kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 1000. Like that, to convert from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. Please draw that figure. And those who have joined late and those who haven't completed this much, please leave space for writing this much and fastly write convert the following. You can write the conversion. Convert the following. Please write that. Please write fast. Those who have joined late and those who haven't completed this much, you can leave space for writing and leave space and write convert the following A, B, C, D. And write 2 kilometers equal to, you can write the answer also. 5 kilometers equal to 3 meters equal to 4 meters equal to. Write the answer also. So those, all of you start writing the conversion fast. Shravan, please turn on your video. Shravan, please turn on your video. Darus also, many times I told you, don't turn off your video. Let me see your beautiful face, my dear. Alvina, please unmute and say 2 kilometers equal to dash meter.
2000 meters.
Very good, very good. Correct answer. Because to convert from kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 1000. You know, all of you know what is the shortcut way to multiply by 1000? You have to put 3 zeros along with the given number in the right side. So put write 2 along with that 3 zeros in the right side. Okay, very good. Now, Krishna, please unmute and say 5 kilometer is equal to dash meters. Unmute. 2 kilometers equal to 2000 meters. So 5 kilometers equal to, unmute here. It's not coming. Wait, I'll come to you later. I'll come to you later. Ihsan, will you say answer? 5 kilometers equal to how many meters?
5000.
5000. Very good. 5000 meters. To convert from kilometers to meters, you can multiply by 1000. Very good. Now, Adhika, please unmute and give me answer for question C. 3 meters
300
equal.
centimeters.
Very good, very good, very good. 3 meters equal to 300 centimeters because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So to convert from meter to centimeter, you can multiply by 100. So 3 meters equal to 300 centimeters. Very good. Yashika, please unmute and say next question answer. Yashika, please unmute. Are you there? Yashika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
3 meters equal to 300 centimeter. So 4 meters equal to how many centimeter?
400.
400, because to convert from meter to centimeter you have to multiply by 100. Very good here. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, so 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. Okay, very good. Now hope you all have completed this one. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Am I joy only?
Now do one thing. The same thing I will share in the group. So those who have joined late, you can copy down from there. Have you all understood the conversion?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Keep in mind 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That is only the difference from other conversions. But other all conversions are by 1000. Okay, multiply by 1000. So can we go to weight? Next topic. Are you all ready?
No.
If you haven't completed this one, I will already told you I will share this in the group, WhatsApp group. Okay. The thing is that you have to understand this one.
Yes. Ma'am, I
Ah.
get 5 minutes.
Sorry?
I write finish the 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Here no 5 minutes, my dear. It's 5 kilometers.
Ma'am, they are telling I will complete this in 5 minutes.
My dear, please do stop writing now. Only that much no to complete.
Ma'am, I ended late and
So do one thing, that
one
length,
second.
Ma'am,
the same thing I will share in those who have to complete. I will share the same thing in the group. So please complete it from the group. Now please listen. Please listen. Next one. Weight. What is weight? Anybody? What is weight? Weight means what? It is the measure of heaviness. Weight means the measure of heaviness of a body. Okay. Then, what are the units to measure weight? That is the important thing we have to discuss here. What are the different units to measure weight? Sorry?
Gram,
Gram. Who said gram? Adhika. Very good. Gram.
Kilogram.
Kilogram.
milligram.
Milligram. See, if you have to say in an order, you can say milligram, because milligram is the smallest unit. Milligram.
Gram.
Here the conversion is very easy because we are only want to use 1000. 1 gram equal to how many milligram? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Then, like that, 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
100.
I told you 100 is only for in length meter to centimeter. All other conversion are 1000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram.
1000 gram.
So if it is like that, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 2 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
2000
Asher, sit straight. Asher, Benny, please sit straight. And listen. 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram. 3 kilogram equal to
3000 gram.
4 kilogram equal to
4000 gram.
yes. So to convert from kilogram to gram, you have to multiply by 1000. You know the shortcut way to multiply by 1000. What do you have to do to multiply by 1000? Put 3 zeros in the right side of the given number. Then it will be multiplied by 1000. Okay. So all of you, please open your notebook again. The same way you can convert from gram to milligram also. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 2 gram is equal to how many milligram?
2,000.
2000. 3 gram is equal to how many milligram?
3,000.
3000 milligram. Okay. So everybody open your notebook fast.
Ma'am, this
Those who can write fast, they can write this one fast and neatly. If you cannot write fast, the same thing I will share in the group. So that time you can write. Leave space for writing this many things. Leave space and write convert the following. So Naila, please unmute and tell me. First question answer. 7 kilogram is equal to dash gram.
7,000 gram.
Very good, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So to convert from kilogram to gram, you have to multiply by 1000. And to convert from gram to milligram, you have to multiply by 1000. Very good, Naila. Now, Arav, please unmute and tell me. Next answer. 2 gram is equal to dash milligram.
2,000.
Yes, very good. 2000 milligram. Very good, dear. You can mute your audio. Now, Abhinav, please unmute.
Ma'am,
6 kilogram is equal to dash gram.
6,000 gram.
6000 gram. Very good. Now, Advait, please unmute and tell me. 3 gram is equal to dash milligram.
1000 milligram.
Very good. 3000 milligram. So, to convert from kilogram to gram and gram to milligram, you have to multiply by 1000. For that, you can put 3 zeros along with the given number. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? This conversion in weight.
Yes. Ma'am,
Ah,
you leave space mean?
if you haven't completed that much, you can leave space for writing. I will share the same thing in the group.
Yes. Finish.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let's finish the Anub.
Okay. Have you all completed?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Dia, please turn on your video. Okay. Now, those who haven't completed, please wait. Please complete it from group because We have to discuss the next topic also. Okay.
Can I see?
Now, next one is volume or capacity. What is mean by capacity? Anybody? Capacity
A cup
is the
capacity is a
it is the amount of liquid that can be held by a container. If you take a
Container.
bottle and fill the water, if you use a glass to fill the
1
water,
liter.
if you fill if you can fill 3 cups of water
Original.
and the water is full, the bottle is full, you can say the capacity of the bottle is 3 cups because you can pour 3 cups of water to fill the bottle. So, like that, the amount of liquid means water, oil, juice, like that substances, we can say liquid. So, the amount of liquid that can be held by a container is the capacity of that container. Who can say what are the units to measure capacity?
Liter,
Liter, very good, Adhika.
milliliter,
Liters,
kiloliter.
kiloliters, very good. If you say in a order, it is milliliters is the smallest unit. So milliliters, liters, kiloliters,
Kiloliters.
milliliters, liters, kiloliters. Okay. One here also the conversion is very easy because it is here also by 1,000 only we have to multiply for all the conversions. So 1 liter equal to how many milliliters?
1,000.
1,000 milliliters or 1,000 milliliters. Like that, 1 kiloliter is equal to how many liters? 1 kiloliter is equal to how many liters? 1,000 liters. So 1 liter equal to 1,000 milliliter. Then 2 liters equal to how many milliliters?
2,000.
2,000 milliliters.
Liters.
3 liters equal to
3,000.
3,000 milliliters. Like that, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters. 2 kiloliters equal to 2 kiloliters equal to
3,000 milliliter.
2 kiloliters equal to
2,000.
2,000 liters. 3 kiloliters equal to
3,000.
3,000 liters. Like that, we can to convert from both kiloliters to liters and liters to milliliters, you can multiply by 1,000. No need to write these many things. You can leave space for that. Leave space and please write the heading, convert the following and write these questions first. Please write the questions first. A, B, C, D. Convert the following. Give the heading capacity and leave space for writing these many things and write 4 liters equal to okay, Adhika, I understood you have completed. Very good. Advait, write fast. Anai, please unmute and tell me answer for the first one. A. 4 liters equal to how many milliliters?
4,000.
4,000 milliliters. Very good. Darus, please unmute and give me answer for the next question.
5 kiloliters equal to
Ah,
5,000
ah,
liter.
very good. You have to multiply by 1000. Very good here. Now, Asher, please unmute and give me answer for the next question. 8 liters equal to dash milliliters. 8,000 milliliters. Correct it is. Very good, my dear. Now, who is there to get chance? Bandhan's video is not seen. Gauri, please unmute and give me answer for 6 kiloliters equal to dash liters. How many
Ma'am,
liters?
I cannot see the board.
Ma'am, 6,000.
Ah, 6,000. Very good. So, those who haven't completed, please complete it fast. So, those who haven't completed, you can complete it now. Ayan, have you completed all the things? Unmute. Huh?
I'm writing.
Ah, right. Now, have you all understood the conversion in length, weight, and capacity?
Yes.
Same way you can do. You have to multiply by 1000. Only the difference in conversion from meter to centimeter. When you do conversion from meter to centimeter, by which number you have to multiply? Meter to centimeter. Meter to centimeter. Nobody knows.
100.
By 100 you have to multiply. All other conversions are by 1000. You have to multiply by 1000. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
So next day we will discuss the addition and subtraction of the chapter measurements. Okay. And after that I will conduct a written test and MCQ. Okay. So all of you please revise. Today I will send these things in the group. So please revise these things in the for the next class also, because the MCQ is going to be conducted in the next class. Can I wind up the class? Have you all completed this one?
Yes.
Is there anybody to complete?
No.
Okay. So please revise again this for the next class. And next day, let us discuss. We can discuss addition and subtraction from measurement chapter. After that, a written test will be there. Okay. So please be ready for that. We will revise. After that only, I'll conduct the test. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.